Welcome to another episode of Data Journeys, where we explore the evolving landscape of data engineering and analytics. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of repositories and resources that can transform anyone into a data expert. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Repositories? What's the big deal? Well, let's break it down. Imagine being handed a toolbox filled with everything you need to build your dream home. In the data world, repositories are like those toolboxes, packed with resources, guides, and tools that you can use to become skilled in data engineering. Pretty exciting, right? One of the most intriguing spots in our exploration today is a repository aptly named the Data Engineer Handbook. This isn't just a collection, it's a treasure trove. It boasts links to a vast array of concepts in data engineering. You might be wondering, what does a data engineer actually do? Well, they're the wizards behind the curtain, ensuring data flows seamlessly and is prepared for analysis, which is crucial for businesses today. Now let's hypothetically say you're new to this field. You might be lost in a sea of terminology and tools, but fear not. This handbook can guide you through everything, from understanding data pipelines to mastering tools like Python and Jupyter notebooks. If you're a visual learner, imagine walking through a museum where each exhibit showcases a different aspect of data engineering. That's how structured this repository can feel. Then we have the Cumulative Table Design Repository, another gem that helps you learn how to define and create cumulative tables. Okay, let's pause for a second. Cumulative tables might sound a bit dry, but they are essential for anyone who wants to analyze trends over time. Think of it in terms of tracking your spending. You wouldn't just want to know what's coming in and out this month, but also how it compares to the last few months, right? These resources bring up some interesting questions. For example, why is data literacy becoming more important than ever? Well, in our data-driven world, understanding how to manipulate and interpret data can set you apart in your career. Companies are hungrier than ever for insights that can drive decisions and strategies. As we continue along this journey, let's also touch on analytics engineering. Imagine this as the bridge that connects raw data to business insight. Analytics engineers take on the challenge of translating complex data into accessible formats. What if I told you that the right resources can help you leap from a beginner to a proficient engineer in just a matter of months? Before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to reflect on how these repositories not only serve as learning materials, but also as communities of practice. It's like joining a global classroom where you can engage with fellow learners, share insights, and potentially even collaborate on projects. In summary, whether it's diving into the Data Engineer Handbook or mastering cumulative tables, resources can make all the difference on your data journey. So take a moment to explore, engage, and educate yourself. Who knows where this learning path could lead you? Thanks for tuning in today. If you have thoughts about the resources we discussed or your own data experiences, feel free to connect with us on social media. Until next time, keep curious and keep exploring.